How to connect Salesforce Authenticator 2025. Follow these instructions. Log into your Salesforce account and go to Advanced User Details by opening the Settings section from your user menu. Scroll down the page until you locate the App Registration, One-Time Password Authenticator option. On your mobile phone, download and install the Salesforce Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the app and tap Add an account to generate a unique two-word phrase for connecting your account. On the Salesforce page, click Connect next to the Authenticator option and enter the exact two-word phrase. A connection request will appear on your phone, which you must approve to link your account securely. From now on, you'll get instant push notifications during each login. Just tap Approve to sign in safely and quickly. Thank you for watching.